Dr. Pillai, North Lincolnshire CCG IT lead. In this video, we will learn how to use the flu searches deployed within EMIS Web by primary care pathways. If you look into your organization notepad, you should see a notice put up by primary care IT. Follow the instructions that suggest visiting the primary care pathways web page. Copy that link and put it into a web browser of your choice. Find your way to where it says support. Look for flu searches under free tools. At this stage, I would go straight to where it states where are the searches and how do I use them. It's important to read through this part of the document because it'll tell you what the different searches are with regards to the initial cohorts and what the simple searches are. But more importantly, if you scroll down within the search, they have very cleverly divided the search into searches for MJOG, DocMail, or Gov notifications if that's used within your practice. The other thing it also does is it gives you directions with regards to the patient-specific directions, the PSDs, and how to go about using them. Right, so let's now jump back into EMIS Web to see where these searches actually can be found. If you go into your EMIS ball, go down to where it says Reporting, go into Population Reporting. At this stage, find the folder that states Primary Care IT, open up that folder, look for the folder that states Flu 2020-21, open up that folder, and now you will have a few different choices. A good place to start is the initial cohort. If you open up Simple, you can now see the groups on this side, and if you want to run the search, all you would do is you would right-click and press Run.